So in South Carolina, domestic violence is a tiered system. The lowest level will be domestic violence in the 3rd degree. That has a potential penalty of 30 days in jail, and you could potentially have to take an anger management / battering class, like a don't hit your spouse kind of thing. The definition for domestic violence is that you have an altercation or a potential altercation with somebody who is in your household, which means a spouse, a former spouse, a person you lived with, a person you formerly used to live with. And if you've had any of these relationships, you could have lived with somebody years ago and run into them and have an altercation with them. They don't live with you anymore, but they used to. Or you have a child in common and you've been divorced for a decade and you have an altercation, and then you can end up charged with domestic violence. That's for all levels of domestic violence, not just 3rd, because household member is a statutorily described thing. You also have domestic violence in the 2nd degree, which carries up to 3 years in jail. And if it happens with a child, or allegedly happens with a child in the room, a child sees it, or if there's an injury that's evident to an officer on the scene, they will charge you with that higher charge. From there, the penalties go up. If you're charged with domestic violence in South Carolina and you have questions, we can help. Your lawyers at the beach are here to help you navigate life's hurdles. These life's hurdles are serious, and even the misdemeanors that seem small and they seem like I could just pay a fine and move on can have disastrous long-term consequences. So let us help. Give us a call. Let us help you solve your problem in the way that is specific to your situation and puts you in the best spot you can be in.